friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to wipe out iPhone. Open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings, tap on continue, enter here your passcode, enter your screen time passcode, and enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock and remove the device from Find My iPhone. Once the wiping process is complete, you can set up as a new device, restore from a different backup, or give or sell your device to someone else without worries. That's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.